Take a look at this. A completely dirty, rusty, and forgotten model car. Covered in dust, damaged over time, but today we're gonna bring it back to life. Let's start the full restoration process.
Inspection. First, we carefully inspect the condition of the model. You can clearly see the rust, scratches, and broken parts. The paint is faded, and dirt has built up over every surface. This restoration won't be easy, but the result will be worth it. Now, we begin by taking the model apart piece by piece. Every screw is removed carefully to avoid damage. The body, wheels, interior parts, everything is separated. This step is very important to clean each part properly. Next comes the deep cleaning process. We use a soft brush to remove dust and loose dirt. Then, special cleaning solution is applied to break down stubborn grime. Slowly, the original surface begins to reveal itself. Now, we focus on removing the rust. Using tools and careful sanding, we eliminate corrosion from the metal parts. This step requires patience. Too much pressure can damage the model, but gradually, the rust disappears. Some parts are damaged and need repair. We fix broken sections and reshape certain areas. Missing or weak components are reinforced. The model is finally starting to look whole again. Once everything is dry, we begin reassembling the model. Each part is placed back exactly where it belongs. Screws are tightened, wheels are aligned, and the structure is rebuilt. And here it is, the final result. From a rusty, abandoned piece to a clean, detailed, and beautiful model car. This is the magic of restoration.